She wants your attention. Daddy's struggling over there, Mama. He's struggling. He's trying to get it together. He's trying. He's trying. All right, you guys, so I just finished setting up for my baby's 5th birthday, Giselle. And, yeah, these are their little tents. I'm giving her a little slumber party, a little sleepover. And it's more like a LOL Barbie, because that's what she likes, party. So some stuff is like LOL, and then some stuff is Barbie. So I got all the girls like little Barbie styling heads and little Barbie dolls. And then they got LOL pillows. And then different LOL things like LOL coloring books, the crayons, the little gift bags. And then my daughter, Giselle, she got the big styling head because it's her birthday. So while everyone else got the little styling heads, she got the big one. And then everybody else got the little Barbie, and then she got a life-size Barbie. So this is her Barbie right here. And yeah, so everybody got different things. Some are the same, some are different. And those are LOL balloons on their bed. And then she got this little LOL drawing thing, LOL coloring books. And they just got little LOL, I believe these are pens or some type of marker or pen. And these are little LOL things that stand up, but they've been knocked over. So I guess the girls can situate them back. And then they got gift bags with Barbie and LOL surprise gifts inside of them. So this is my daughter, Giselle. She wanted the Frozen tent. So it's a Frozen tent, and that's what she wanted. And then this is a unicorn one. This is Trolls. And then this is another unicorn one. So that's their, this is my daughter Jade Barbie, and this is her stuff, her little styling head, her little LOL crayons, coloring book, and her phone, which she's not supposed to have because she's supposed to be enjoying herself, but I see she snuck and put that in there. And this is my son Junior stuff. So these are his pillows, his balloon. He got a little truck with a Mario cup with some tattoos and some little Batman stuff. And then he got this little car. I had that with my Easter supplies, and he loves cars. So I just took it, opened it. It's supposed to be like a Easter egg, but it's an Easter car. And I just put some little treats in there for him. And this is their cousin Nyla. This is her area. And this is her little styling Barbie. And then her crayons and LOL. And then they have these little LOL crowns and her pillows and her Barbie as well. And this is Jada's. This is Jada's section. I don't know if I gave you a close-up of her Barbie. These little extra Barbies are so freaking cute. Look at that cute little fur coat. A little accessories inside, And so, yeah, you guys. So now I'm going to call the kids down and I'm going to let them come get situated in their sections. They just got finished eating. Oh, Giselle, that's so pretty. You like it?
Yes.
Hold it up straight. Can I see?
Just try me.
Sit it up straight. Oh, pretty.
Minnie Mouse.
That's Minnie Mouse, yeah. Okay, go ahead. Open up. What's next? So Giselle's cousin came over here with multiple bags, multiple gifts for Giselle. Say hi, Nyla. Yeah, so she's opening her gifts now to see what she got. Oh, that's so pretty. And look at the shorts. Uh-oh. Look at that. Okay, so here, lay it across the gift over here. Good girl. Now here, open up the next thing. Here. Okay, whatever one you want to open first.
Oh, Tia has it.
Uh-oh, look at that. Oh, look how pretty. Wow, so pretty. Okay, sit it over there and you can open up your next gift.
Put it over there.
You the Minnie Mouse queen right about now. You got a Minnie Mouse house, a little Minnie Mouse kitchen set. What is this? Oh, look at that. You got a, what is it, a chat with me cell phone. Turn around, I want to see. Oh, we got a little purse with a little cell phone. Oh, it's a phone case. Oh, wait a minute. Let me see. They got a phone case. Oh, we got a phone case. That is so pretty.
Giselle, guess what that is. Can you guess? Try guessing what it is. Giselle, what's that?
What's that?
Turn it this way.
Turn it this way. Oh, look at that. That's cute. Okay. Oh, look at that. You can be Minnie Mouse. Oh, my goodness. Ooh, did you tell Nyla thank you? Everything is beautiful. Okay. Here you go. I'll read. Look at that. It's okay, now you have your own.
Who gave her that?
That's so pretty. Oh, that's so nice. Okay, so put it over there. Ooh, another pair of shorts. That's pretty. I love it. Uh-oh, a Minnie Mouse shirt. Oh, you going all out. You going all out. Minnie Mouse everything. So now you can have Minnie Mouse when you go outside. You can play dress up with Minnie. Oh,
Not with those.
I meant to say. Oh, cute. Oh, you got 3 pairs of shorts now. You don't got to worry about running out of shorts, right? Look at you. So pretty. You got 3 new outfits. Oh, that's so pretty.
Get out now. Guys, you gotta get taken.
You got to tell Daddy, let you call your grandma and aunt so you could thank them for all the pretty stuff they got you, okay?
Okay.
Sit down. Oh my goodness. Everything is so nice. Look at that.
You like it yourself? Let me hold it.
This is my
Here, look. Hold it up like this.
Oh my goodness, so cute. Yeah, look at that. Well, they bought you so much stuff. Let me see how many outfits you got. Let me show. Here, hold your LOL shirt up. That's so pretty. Oh, so look, she got 1 dress-up outfit, 1 Minnie Mouse dress-up outfit, and then she got 4 new outfits, 4 pairs of shorts with the matching little shirts they picked out to go with it. So she got 1 Wonder Woman, 1 Minnie Mouse, 1 LOL Girls, and another Minnie Mouse shirt. So she got 4 cool outfits for the summer. Beautiful. Everything is nice.
No.
Okay, we'll fold these up and put them back, guys. Oh, she opened her little ball that was inside her gifts, too. What's inside of it?
The bubble gum? Yeah.
Buggy, you opening your gifts?
Yeah.
Here.
Bella, you like your tent? I see you already chilling inside. I bought these tents myself. They have the companies that come put up the tents for you and the blow-up beds. And I said, let me buy that stuff myself because the price you pay for them to come and set up, you could buy your own items and you get to keep them and reuse them over and over again for different occasions. Birthday girl! Come on so we can sing happy birthday and cut the cake. You birthday girl! You ready for us to cut the cake? Buggy, what's all that about? What's going on? Birthday girl! She went to sleep before we could even cut the cake. Yeah. You gonna wake your sister up? Tell her wake up.
Go get her, Mama. Go get her.
One.
She said, I'll hold this for you. I'll hold this for you. You got her phone?
She had to make sure to touch it to see if she was really sleeping. Let me see the phone.
Yeah, that's yellow. Put it back. I'll use it one last time. Yeah, it is Minnie Mouse. All right.
What's What's Mimi at?
You want me?
Where's Mimi at?
All right, you guys. So that's it. The birthday girl went to sleep. She's in her little tent. And she is knocked out for the count. And everybody else is getting ready for bed, too. You getting ready for bed? Here go their cousin Nyla. Night, night, Nyla. And Junior. Junior, what happened to your shirt? How it get inside out?
But that's why I put it outside out.
Why you put it on inside out?
Yeah.
You don't care? What's the matter? You don't want the party to end?
You know when we did that one?
Well, say that again.
No, when we did that one.
Oh, but Giselle fell asleep and I don't want to cut her cake without her. Can we wait till tomorrow and then we can cut her cake? She fell asleep. So he wants some cake. Ooh, but she fell asleep and I don't want to cut the cake without her.
Good night.
Good night, Moomy. Night, night. Night, night, everyone. Love you guys. Aw. Thank you guys for tuning into our channel. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And hit that post notification button so you know every time we upload a video. Good night.